So now you understood how to finalize a breed. If not, please check on my other videos, Why Shih Tzu Part 1 and Why Shih Tzu Part 2. Let me give very short description here. Like before finalizing the breed that you want to bring home, analyze your lifestyle, how you gonna manage the pet. So based on that, you finalize the pet to bring home because it's going to be your long commitment. It's not like a week or days or months or years. It's going to be long years. So it's going to be your best companion. So based on that, you need to finalize. Now, where I suggest to get the pup from, mostly there will be kennel certificate, KCI kennel certifications for the pup for the pure breeds. So if you want to get a pup from KCI certified areas, yes, that's a definitely yes. And the costing will be somewhere around 25 till 1 lakh based on the coat, based on the shining of the fur, the purest breeds, and the champion breeds like the showcase puppies, the show dog qualities. So, if you are having a good pocket friendly part, I mean, like you're good on your pocket, then you can get from the KCI certified. Now, there is a big fat question like, what if we don't want that much spent to bring a pup home? We have hardly some 8 to 15,000, nothing beyond that to get a pup. So, in the next video, I will tell you how much I bought this pup for and how I finalized to get it. So, this video will cover only where I suggest to bring the pup from. Don't get it from puppy farms or any local stores or pet stores. Try to find in Facebook marketplace or your area pages like pet parents, Bangalore pet parents, Hyderabad, or Shih Tzus in Hyderabad, like that you find, and reach out to a number of people before you bring a pet home, and try to find a pup which is delivered in a home with the mother being around and siblings being around, the littermates being around. So that is the place I got it from, and there are a number of reasons why I bought, which I will cover in the other video. So the suggestion given is like, get it from KCI certified so that you will get a pure breed, or get it from a place where their dog gave birth to the puppies. So these two places I strongly suggest, not from the markets, not from the stores who say like breeders, the hefty breeders, no breeding.